Okay, boys and girls, we have officially got the engine rebuilt and installed into the 1969 Volkswagen Beetle. This is a 1641cc engine with a Engle 100 cam, and it also has an exhaust system on it as well. And the carb has been went through, brand new HEI distributor, and I'll go ahead and start it up for you so you can hear it. Officially got the bug up and going. It has brakes on it now officially, so we're going to continue to play with this and get it running a little bit better, a little nicer, and hopefully we can show you some stuff as we go on the project. So thanks for watching. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button.